everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your wallet's name on Bitcoin.com wallet app. In order to change your wallet's name on Bitcoin.com, first of all, open up your Bitcoin.com application on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once you're in the main homepage, go to the Funds button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Inside the Funds option, you will be able to see all of your wallets displayed on the screen. Tap on any one wallet that you want to change the name for and tap the three dots at the top right corner after you open up a specific wallet. Now, you will then be able to change your wallet's name, colors, and other options will be available on the page. To change your wallet's name, go ahead and tap on the wallet name option and then re-enter a new name for your wallet. After you are done, you can also change the color of the wallet, and once you are done, you can get back, and there you have successfully changed your wallet's name. You can do this for any other wallets available on your account by using the same method. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.